Food, baby. I love food, and I know that you love food too. Welcome to German episode of Food and Drink. I have a specialty that you eat in springtime here in Germany. Asparagus. The white one is very popular here in Germany. The green one more and more. But usually you eat like this, the white one with sauce Hollandaise. It contains egg, butter, a bit of lemon juice, salt, pepper, and a bit of water or wine. And I have some potatoes on the side. You can also have like ham on the side, but I decided to go vegetarian. And one of the best wines to accompany this dish is Silvaner, also from Germany. So let's dig in. There we go. Has a nice texture, the asparagus, the sauce Hollandaise, nice eggy taste. It was my first time to do it. You can make it even better, I think. More rich, but yeah, not bad. Very good with the pepper. Very nice. Let's have a potato with some sauce here. And these are called, these weird shaped potatoes, Bamberger Hörnchen. They're fantastic. One of the best potatoes in Germany. Super good potato flavor. Great with the eggy and buttery Hollandaise. A bit more of the asparagus. There we go. Brilliant dish. Definitely try this dish when you are in Germany. Now, at this time, it is fantastic. So my version here already is great, even though, as you can see, the Hollandaise is a bit too fluid. In my opinion, it could be thicker, but yeah, the taste is there and it's absolutely fine. And a great vegetarian dish. I would give my version here 78 points. It could easily go over 80 if you eat it in a nice restaurant. So let's try the Silvaner. Nice. Bit fruity. Not too much acidity. Great wine here. GWF. I've never had this one. From the region Franken. So absolutely great. Great combination. One more sip. Fantastic wine to accompany this dish here. I would give it 77 points. There you go, guys. Try German food if you are here in Germany, because it's really worth it. Not only the meat dishes, but also the vegetarian dishes, like this one here. You will get it now everywhere. And yeah, let me know if you are from another country, what I should try from your country. So yeah, comment, like or dislike, subscribe of course to my channel. See ya!